Hi, we are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Emergency Alert for Women Safety with a Location Tracking using Arduino Uno R3 board. So here we are using an Arduino Uno R3. It's an 80 mega 328 controller, Atmel microcontroller, and here we are using an one GSM modem, SIM 800L quad band modem. You can use anywhere in the world. You can use this modem, and we are using one GPS 16E module. We are using those are connected with the Max 232. So we are using internal RX TX pin for the GSM, and we are enabling serial UART for 4 and 5, fourth pin and fifth pin. This is RX TX and RX TX. So here we are using one switch button. This is panic switch button. If something should be happen for the girl or child or whatever it may be, if they press the switch, it will show you on the LCD women in trouble. So this is 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on to the controller, that should be displayed on the LCD. So in 16x2 LCD display, RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, D7. This is 4-bit mode format. So these are connected with the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here we are using two alarms. One for somebody is asking for the vibration or shock alert, but it is not possible, so we are going to use two alarms. Otherwise you can remove this alarm too, and you can connect the vibrator or anything you can connect here. One alarm it is connected with the 6th pin, and the second alarm it is connected with the 13th pin of the onboard LED as well as the alarm. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here this is our flow chart. Start, initialization of LCD and initialization of GSM. If GSM is not responding, it will stop here, and it is go for the GPS. If GPS is not responding, it stop here. If 2 is responding, okay, then it will go for the waiting for the switch button, and here it will get the continuous GPS data. If woman is trouble, it will press the switch. It will send the SMS to the parents mobile and a police station. If it is no, it continuously wait for the switch. So let us coming into the hardware part. So we are using two adapters. Otherwise you can go for the transformer power source also, but we are using the adapter power source. So here this is our 80 mega 328 controller. This is Arduino Uno board, and one 16x2 LCD display and switch button. This is GPS 16E. This is GPS module, and entire this is GPS module. So here this is Max 232 board. For voltage level conversion purpose we are using. In Max 232 board there is no UART on Max 232 is option is not there, but we are going for the external Max 232 communicate with the other modules. So this is GSM SIM 800L module. This is 850 MHz to 1800 MHz frequency. You can use 2G SIM card or 3G SIM card. Okay, you can use any SIM card. Okay, so this is GSM module. It is connected with the other adapter, and this adapter will be connected for the this entire section. And here we are using for the two transistors. Those are BC547 transistor, NPN transistor for high current purpose. These two are acting as a switch to enable the alarms. So buzzer 1, buzzer 2. So you can go give any other like vibrator, motor, for the alert purpose you can give. So first of all, here we are connected with the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that is connected with the LCD. 4 and 5 it is connected with the Max 232, and the other RS232 cable is connected with the GSM module. And 4 and 5 it is connected with the GPS. 0 and 1 it is connected with the GSM. Okay, this is switch is connected with the 3rd pin, and alarm is connected with the 6th pin, and next alarm is connected with the 13th pin. Okay, so all pins are used. Okay, 13th pins. So if first of all we are going for the emergency alert for women safety with location tracking, GSM testing. If GSM is perfectly test, it will go for the 80 plus CMGF and 80 plus CM GF, it will send some commands, then it will enable the GSM modem, and after that it will enable the GPS. It will track for the GPRMC value, global positioning system with latitude and longitude. That latitude longitude value should be continuously displayed on the LCD. If we go on the road, it continuously update the latitude longitude value. Suppose if woman is trouble, then they press the switch. Okay, 2 alarms should at a time on phone. Okay, so we are giving one phone, student phone. Okay, yeah, they received the SMS alert. The 2 SIM cards are there. They given 2 SIM cards. With the 2 SIM cards, okay, woman in trouble, location, woman location is latitude value, longitude value, please take action. Okay, so it continuously gives the SMS alert, and after that it will go for the, so if they need for the second time, they need to press the switch. Otherwise we can write the program for the continuous loop, but there should be a SMS problem, so the students need to recharge. So we are giving as per the project, it should be sent for the SMS alert, and again I press the switch, again they received the SMS alert. Okay na? Yeah, you received now? Yes, you received the SMS alert. Okay, same SMS. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. We given 2 mobile numbers as per the parent mobile phone and police station. We can add more number of mobile phones on this microcontroller board. We can give the alert. So here we are using an recently. So here we are giving as a 80 plus EMGS is the first mobile number. This is the first mobile number and this is the second mobile number. So we are giving as a 7, 8, 9, 10 is the LCD, 4 and 5 for the GPS. Okay, if this is no range. Third pin is the switch, and buzzer 1, buzzer 2 is the 13th and 16th pin, and it is enabling. First we have to initialize the LCD and begin, and buzzer 1, buzzer 2, emergency alert. These are our predefined LCD with a location tracking. Buzzer 1, buzzer 2 should be low, then it will go for the GPS. GPS range is found, system ready, then device ready, GPS tracking, then continuously it will get the GPS data until and unless if we press the switch, women in trouble, the buzzer alert should be starts, and it will get the GPS data, and it will go for the tracking code. And the tracking code we are giving the predefined SMS called women in trouble. Women location is latitude value, longitude value. This latitude, whatever we are getting the latitude, from that latitude value, and here the latitude value will be added, the longitude value also added from the GPS, and then it will send for the please take action. This is for the SMS 1, and this is the SMS 2. This is SMS 2. You can add SMS 3, SMS 4, SMS 5. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay.